Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo V40 D3 and D4. We'll explore their key differences in performance, efficiency, and overall driving feel to help you decide which one might be the better fit for your needs. Let's dive right into the details of these popular diesel engines, noting their distinct characteristics. When it comes to power, the D4 clearly leads. The D3 engine offers a solid 150 horsepower and 320 Newton-meters of torque, providing ample power for daily driving. However, the D4 steps up significantly with 190 horsepower and a robust 400 Newton-meters of torque. This translates to a quicker acceleration, with the D4 reaching 100 kilometers per hour in about 7.4 seconds, versus the D3's 8.4 seconds. Moving to efficiency, both the D3 and D4 are impressive diesel options. The D3 generally offers slightly better fuel economy, with real-world averages around 49.9 miles per gallon. The more powerful D4 is very close, achieving about 49.7 miles per gallon. While the D3 might have a marginal edge, both engines provide excellent efficiency, making them economical choices for long-distance driving. The driving experience differs notably. The D3 offers a smooth and refined ride, with its power delivery being consistent and comfortable for everyday commutes. The D4, with its higher power and twin-turbo setup, provides a more engaging and responsive feel, especially during acceleration. If you prioritize balanced efficiency and a relaxed drive, the D3 is excellent. For those seeking stronger performance and a more spirited feel, the D4 is the clear choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.